Folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a sweet 2023 Lexus GX460 here with only 25,000 miles, one owner. Good client of mine bought this brand new, and just for the sale, we just had this paint corrected and ceramic coated as well. So it's in really great shape. Paint looks great. This in particular one is a black line edition. It's got all the blacked out trim. That's from the factory. Those are OEM 17-inch Toyota TRD wheels with 33-inch tires. It has had a Bilstein B8 5100 shock upgrade. It's got the Treaty Oak off-road spacers, SPC upper control arms. Really cool. It's got the Toy Tech coils on it as well. Rides great, but it's got all the suspension upgrades for off-road. This is a 7-seater. Seats in the back fold up. It's got the all-weather mats from the factory. The carpet mats are in here. They are still in the package. Brand new carpet mats right there. Tow package. Nice off-road tires. Wheels look great on this thing. Paint is like a mirror, so polished out. The inside, you've got that taupe gray leather, not black like most of them. Heated and cooled seats, of course. 360 camera, heated rear seats. You got sunroof, it's standard. There's for your button for your camera views there. Heated steering wheel. It's a non-smoker. We've got all the books and the original window sticker. There's pictures in the gallery of that. Serviced at the dealer, does have dealer records. Very nice, pretty unique. Probably won't find another one like this on the market right now. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. We can ship anywhere in the lower 48, right to your driveway, and we can do deals remotely, no problem. So we hope to see you soon. Thanks.